Good morning to all. This is Jayanthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Trichandur. Python and Data Analytics Part 1. First one, Computer Systems. Combination of hardware and software to execute the instruction to process data and produce results. Computational thinking means problem-solving approach used in programming. The key aspect is decomposition, breaking problems into similar parts, pattern recognition, identifying the similarities, abstraction, focusing on important details, algorithm design, creating step-by-step solutions. Introduction to Python programming language. It's high-level, interpreted and easy to learn language. Supports procedural, object-oriented and functional programming. Widely used in web development, data science, AI and automation. Basic syntax example. Print of the double quotes hello comma word. The features simple and readable syntax, platform independent, large community and library support. The data types int integer values, float decimal values, str text values, boolean true or false, lists the collection of items, variables and assignment, name equal to the double quotes ABC, age equal to 20. The operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators. Expressions, combination of values, variables and operators. The result is 5 plus 3 in 2. Strings, the sequence of characters. Text is equal to Python in double quotes. Operations, concatenation, slicing and length. Lists, ordered and mutable collection. Numbers is equal to the square bracket of 10, 20, 30. Operations, add, remove, access, modify and elements. Object classes and Python standard library. Classes, blueprint for creating object. Object means instance of a class. For example, class student div underscore init underscore of self comma name, self dot name equal to name. Python standard library, built-in modules that provide ready-made functions. For example, math, random, date, time, OS. The benefit is saves development time, enhances program functionality. The second unit is imperative programming. Programming paradigm that uses statements to change a program state. Programs execute instructions step by step. Examples, variable assignments, loops and conditional statements. Python modules. A module is a file containing Python code and functions used to organize and reuse code. For example, import path, import math, print of math dot square root of 25. Print function. Built-in functions. The print function displays output on the screen. Print of the double quotes hello comma Python. Eval function evaluates the executes the Python expressions entered as a string. X is equal to eval of 5 plus 3 in the double quotes. Print of X. The output is 8. User defined functions. Functions created by programmers to perform specific tasks. Improve code reusability and readability. For example, diff rate of name, print of hello comma name, the grade of ABC. The assignment is used to store values in variables. A equal to 10, B equal to 20. The total equal to A plus B. Parameter passing. Parameters allow data to be passed to functions. Python passes reference to objects. It's a call by object reference. Div add of x comma y. Return x plus y. Result is equal to add of 5 comma 10. The print of result. The benefit is modular programming, code reuse, easier maintenance and debugging. The third unit is text data. Strings. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in codes. Common operations, concatenation, slicing and length calculation. Name equal to Python. Print of name, the square bracket 0. Print of length of name. The formatted output is used to display in a readable format. Name equal to Jayanthi, age equal to 10. Print of F, name, the curly brackets name, age of the curly brackets age. File and exceptions. Files used to store and retrieve data permanently. File equal to open of data.txt in the double quotes, comma or in the double quotes. Content equal to file.read, file.close off. Errors and exceptions. Errors may occur during program execution. Exceptions can be handled using try and expect. Try x is equal to 10 by 0 except 0 division error. Print off in the double quotes cannot divide by 0. Decision control allows a program to choose different actions based on the conditions. Uses comparison and logical operators. If statement age equal to 18, if age greater than or equal to 18, the print of the double quotes eligible to vote. Next one, if else statement. Marks is equal to 40. If marks greater than or equal to 50, print of for. Else statement is print of fail. If elif else statement. Score equal to 85. If score greater than or equal to 90, print of A. Elif score greater than or equal to 75, print of B. Else print of C. We will see in the next class. Thank you.